Well, that's right. As we enter a whole new day in trade, let's take a look at the global cues from last night. The US had another record-breaking session. The Dow was up 204 points, or 0.7%. S&P and Nasdaq climbed 0.9 and 0.7%. The gains obviously came after President Trump signed a $900 billion relief package that came into law yesterday. The combination of vaccine rollouts, fiscal stimulus, and easy monetary policy are the three key factors which continue to remain as a big tailwind for equity markets, whether they be in the US or globally. Monday's rally has now put the S&P 500 up 15.6% for this year. It's put the Dow up 6.5% for this year, and the Nasdaq 43% this year, being the major outperformer as investors flock to tech stocks. Now, if we look at the futures this morning, Dow Futures are still up around 100 points. S&P and Nasdaq futures are up 0.3 and 0.2%. So based on that, one would conclude that Nifty over here is in for a very positive day in trade. Asia Pacific's reacting quite positively. Nikkei is up 0.5%, Topix is up 0.6%, S&P ASX in Australia back after a halt yesterday is up 0.7%. So really the Kospi is the only index which is slightly lagging, shedding around 0.46%. European markets rallied strongly yesterday as traders reacted to the announcement of a Brexit deal. France's CAC rose 1.3%, the Swiss SMI rallied 1.8%, Germany's DAX finished up 1.5%, and the UK FTSE, of course, was closed for Christmas. So Asia Pacific, a little mixed if you just look at Korea, but everything else is doing well. EU stocks rallying yesterday, all making up a lot of lost ground. American stocks pretty much at a lifetime high, and futures are trending positively. So Nifty should open in the green today and trade with a positive bias. If we take a look at what the SGX Nifty is saying right now, we're looking at a fairly humble above 14,000 start. So 14,007 it's what is showing. 37-point jump. 0.27% gain for the Nifty. So let's see. It indicates as of now that we're going to crack that 14,000 barrier very early on this morning. Gold and oil, we also need to talk about that. Gold prices rallied yesterday because more stimulus means the dollar slipped. So obviously gold did well. Spot gold was up 0.1% to 1876, but it did go to 1900. US gold futures were 1880 per ounce. Oil prices declined. Brent fell 43 cents from $52 per barrel, so it's just under 51 actually. And then WTI crude is just under 48 at 47.62. So oil prices slightly tapering off, gold prices slightly increasing. And that's the global wrap as we head into trade this Tuesday morning.